Hi YouTube, Engineer Bo 100. Well, today I'm going to let you guys watch me try to route out this piece of wood that I'm turning into a laptop table. And I've never done this before, so it might look like I know what I'm doing, but I don't. But I'm trying to figure it out. So let's get started. Route this little guy out and put some vents in it so it'll keep my laptop cool. Wood on the bottom for the comfort of my legs, and then put some rubber on the bottom so it doesn't slip. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I measured from the outside edge here of my little stack of scrap metal, outside edge where I'm going to have the guide riding, to my line, a little red line here, and it is 9 and 11/16 of an inch. So I have this preset to the right distance. Oh my goodness. And I think I better double check the depth. I don't think the depth is right. Okay, I double checked the depth. It seems to be right. I'm gonna put the battery on now. Oh my goodness. Here we go. This little guy. Oh, I have never used this before. I've never even turned it on. I just have to check and see if it worked. So I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to try and, I think I'm going to push this over here like this. I'm going to set the speed. I'm going to go slow, so I'm going to leave it right there for now, and let's see how we do. Okay, it looks like it's right at where I want it. It turns off right now. Ooh, okay. I'll let you guys have a close-up of that so you guys tell me what you think. I'm impressed. Alright, I'm excited. I'm going to do another side. Okay, I finally got it set. I'll let you check out what I did. So what I did was I flipped this around, because this can go either way. I had it on the top the other time, last time. And then I turned this around and moved this out here. And there's two holes. You look here, there's a hole here, and there's a hole here. So you got to move this thing around for however you need it to work out what you're doing. And since I was way over here on the first cut, I had stacked this up so I could go over higher and have somewhere for this to be recessed. So I took those other two off and they're over here. Just some tips on, I mean, I'm not an expert like I said, but just showing you what I'm having to do to figure out the best way to gain access to the areas I need to route and still keep everything clear so that I can move my guide. So here we go. I'll let you watch me do this next line. Okay, I've got the battery back on. I'm going to turn it on and lower it into a position. I'm going to go towards you first there. Okay, so I think well, let me check. Let me double check. I think I need to take a little bit more off, which is better than taking too much off. Let me see what you think. No? No? No, it's good. It's good. Screwed up a little bit here, but oh well. I screwed up because I moved it off of the guide and it screwed up. So now I'm going to do these two lines and I'll be able to locate one of my screens. Alright. I'm excited. Alright guys, we have it all set. I'm going to put the battery on and I'm going to fire it up. And we're going to route this last little line here. Love the way it turns off right away. So cool. Alright, we're going to make the final cut on this first square. Get the battery on. And I don't work on this thing with the battery on. I don't want to lose any fingers or any skin or anything. So here we go. Fire it up. And we're going to try and stay on this following edge. I think I need to kiss this edge a little bit. I didn't go far enough along, but this one looks really good. Let's see how it fits on this side. Looks like we might need to kiss it a little bit more, which is fine. Yeah, we need to take a little bit more off. So I'm going to do it on this side, because I messed up on this side a little bit. Take a little bit more on this side, and of course I need to take a little bit more on. Let me see, we'll double check. Yeah, I need to take a little bit more on this side because I never did finish coming all the way over. All right, so a little bit of kissing. I'll kiss this side, and we'll see if it fits. Okay, we're lined up with that far edge. You can do kiss it a little bit. Let's go ahead and give you guys a close-up. I'm getting braver. Alright, it does look a little bit Frankenstein here, but let's see if the grate fits. And if it does, I'll do the other side, and I'll let you see it when it's all done. Let's see here. Alright. It fits. I can't believe it. Alright, that's good enough for me. I'll glue it down, do the other side, and I'll let you see when it's done. Alright, I'm all done routing. Cleaned up some of this sawdust all over the place. Let's see if my screens actually fit. Still have my little protective coating over my turbo here, so let's see here. Oh man, look at that. 1 for 1. Ah, 2 for 2. My laptop's gonna appreciate that. So there you go. Take this off a little later when we finish putting the rubber backing on. The easy liner, I'll show you that real quick. I'm gonna put easy liner, but that's gonna go on the bottom, just so it's comfortable on my legs. And I'll have a laptop table. So there we go. Take a quick look.